On June 27, QJMotor SRV 300AMT 2024 was officially launched at a price of 23,999 yuan. As a domestic automatic cruise motorcycle, the biggest difference between the SRV 300AMT and the SRV 300 model is that a large pedal replaces the gear levers and brake levers for the rider's left and right feet. It is very comfortable while driving. It places automatic/manual shifting, shift paddles, and front and rear parking brakes in the left and right hands for control. There are two small round buttons on the left sleeve. The one labeled D/M at the top is the automatic/manual shift switch, and the one labeled set at the bottom is for power development. When in manual gear, the driver can select and change gear via the gear shift button in his left hand. When the speed decreases, he will automatically downshift. This is very important. When performing a U-turn at low speed in an automatic transmission, the driver does not need to think about troublesome operations such as clutch, downshifting, and oil filling. The engine is used instead, which is pretty worry-free. While driving, the driver only needs to focus on controlling the speed and braking the front and rear wheels. It improves the comfort and technological feeling of driving by upgrading the original dashboard to a circular TFT color screen, which is more technological and the display content is richer and clearer. It's worth noting that its left side also features a 12V USB charging port, which can be used to connect mobile phone navigation or sports cameras while riding a motorcycle, so riders don't have to worry about battery life. SRV 300AMT, a domestically produced small displacement cruiser, is not only very competitive in terms of price, but also has a number of advanced electronic and mechanical configurations that make it stand out among similar products. Automatic gear adjustment is suitable for women, and it is very user-friendly for beginners. Thanks to these advanced electronic and mechanical configurations, it greatly relieves the user's usage threshold and improves the driving experience.